Lab PGH back with the Movement Tick Lifestyle Hack with Maggie and Puddin', who are enjoying the weather. You've heard us talk before about movement, picking activities that you enjoy or that you find fun. Clearly Maggie does that. And we wanted to talk a little more about type 1 fun and type 2 fun. Recognize whether you enjoy one or both of them and act accordingly. So type 1 fun is when you're doing it, you're enjoying it, you're having fun, and you can't wait to do it again. Maggie right now. Type 2 fun is the type of fun that you have when you're doing something and you're thinking throughout it, never again, I can't believe I'm doing this, I can't wait to be done. And then when you finish, after you have time to reflect on it a little bit, you think, maybe I'd like to do that again. So figure out whether you like type 1 fun, type 2 fun, or both of them, and make most of your movement activities that type of fun. So move more, move often, and at the end of the day, live like the Labradors and have fun.